This is 51 years ago advice, Prabhupada telling. Secret of success. Now, 51 years later, how much more agitation is there? No cell phones, no YouTube movies, just some girl on the street. Now the girl's in your hand. Girls in your phone. Used to be girls on the street. Oh, acha. Now you can.
ज़्यादा चाहिए, ज़्यादा स्मरण करना पड़ेगा, रासलीला का, भगवान का ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा फिर.
This is the Oshadi. Rid rogam kamam.
ये सबसे बड़ा औषधि है बोलिए.
He said, Sukadeva is saying, Rid rogam kamam. Rog, you know rog? Disease. Right? Hindi, rog. Ridi means dill. This is dill. It's called dill, no? Rid rogam, dill rogam, kamam. Everyone knows that? This is Oshadi, Leela Oshadi. Nam Oshadi, Leela Oshadi. Nam Oshadi is Sanjeevani. Namaste. Oshadi means dawa. Dawa means medicine. So the Nam, Krishna Mahamantra, this is dawa. This is Nam Oshadi, Nam dawa. And Leela is Rasayana. Rasayana is mercury based. How do you say mercury in Hindi? Mercury. It's poison. Para. So, but there's small in the Ayurvedic dawa, in Rasayana. Just small makes dead man alive. So, Sanjeevani gives life, all life. Sanjeevani. So, Nam Oshadi is Sanjeevani. It's Sanjeevani Ras. So, I'm alive. I'm alive where? I'm alive in spiritual life. I'm alive in Bhakti Bhajan, sadhana abhyas, sadhana. But I'm not, there's no ras. So Leela is Rasayana. Is Rasayana Katha. Leela is Rasayana Katha, and Rasayana Dawa, and Rasayana Oshadi. So you combine Sanjeevani Ras with Rasayana, and you become a blissful Jiva. Blissful Bhakta. You understand my comparison?